I was a part of the primer program earlier this year, back in January. We did a variety of things, including CAD drawing, 3D printing, soldering, and I got very lucky because the primer program was a scholarship-based program, and I was able to attend it for free, which I think made a big difference for me because I was able to continue my artistic journey post-graduation. I was looking for a place to continue building my skills on what I learned in school and what my next step would be, and I was able to do that here through Makerspace and the primer program. With how well I was treated at Makerspace, that has opened up the door for me to not only become a shop tech here, but a shop tech in another location. I've also been able to become the stage manager for a company that I've been working for a couple of years, and just like overall creating more. I think I'm making more art, and I've made more art this year than I did probably in my last 2 years in art school, and I feel more confident in my abilities and more sure about my creative direction, about things I want to pursue.